Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a win. About 4 cups of tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes. You can cut up regular tomatoes, whatever your favorite tomato is. And about 2 heads of garlic. Peeled. You can do them whole, but I don't want to have to mess with peeling them after and squeezing out that stuff. Cooks quicker in here. I used approximately a half a cup of EVOO. I used approximately, and I didn't measure any of this, I just seasoned with my heart, but I'd say about 1 to 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And then I used this right here. It's what you normally make Italian dressing with. So we're gonna throw this in the oven. Oh, by the way, these are the tomatoes that I use. Apparently these are for tomato lovers. They smell good. Vitamin C. Kick this thing in the ass. I've got my long French bread that I'm gonna cut. I was a bit heavy-handed with my oil. Instead of a half a cup, I put like a cup in. So I'm gonna actually strain it out because the point is just to have a spread to where you can spread on your toast. And we're gonna strain that out right now. Oh, and that's about good because you want it a little bit able to spread. And we have yummy oil that we can add some vinegar to and make a salad dressing. Yum. So this is more of the consistency that you want. You just want to break everything up. So I got my little sauce bottle here. Let's add vinegar first. Let me do that because it's so much richer. Right, okay. See, when things don't seem to work out, you just have to relax and try another way. It's freaking perfect. I want to put a little more Italian spice in here so we get little chunks of herb in our dressing. Oh, my mouth is watering. I can't wait till these toasts are toast. All right, now let's taste this. I think it needs a little more salt. It's so good. Here we go. Toasted. Oh, I can't wait. Let's try this. Let's try this. I'm gonna try a little balsamic vinegar on it too. Boop. I got chub bumps, baby. That's how good that is. I hope you make this. Very healing. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go eat. I love you, bye.